Farm animals are part of everyday life, yet most people only recognize a few of them. Behind every farm, there is a wide variety of animals, each with its own role, purpose, and unique characteristics. Some provide food, others help with work, and many have been part of human life for thousands of years. From large animals that shape entire landscapes to smaller ones that quietly support daily farm life, each one plays an important part. In this video, we're going to explore every type of farm animal and break them down one by one so you can clearly understand what they are, how they differ, and why they matter. Cows. Cows are large farm animals raised mainly for milk and meat. They are known for their calm nature and their ability to produce large amounts of milk over time. Dairy cows are bred specifically for milk, while beef cattle are raised for meat. They usually live in herds and spend much of their day grazing on grass. Their importance goes back thousands of years, as they have been a reliable food source in many cultures around the world. Chickens. Chickens are small birds commonly kept for eggs and meat. They are one of the most widespread farm animals because they are easy to care for and reproduce quickly. Hens lay eggs regularly, making them a steady source of food. Chickens also help control insects around farms. Over time, they have been bred into many different varieties, each suited for either egg production, meat, or both. Pigs. Pigs are intelligent animals raised mainly for meat, especially pork. They grow quickly and can eat a wide range of foods, which makes them efficient to raise. Pigs have been domesticated for thousands of years and are found on farms all over the world. They are known for their strong sense of smell and are sometimes even trained to find underground foods like truffles. Sheep. Sheep are farm animals mainly raised for wool, meat, and milk. Their thick wool protects them from cold weather and is sheared regularly to make clothing and textiles. Sheep are usually kept in flocks and are known for their gentle and social behavior. They have played an important role in farming history, especially in regions where wool production was a major industry. Goats. Goats are hardy animals known for their ability to live in rough environments where other animals might struggle. They are raised for milk, meat, and sometimes fiber. Goat milk is often used to make cheese and other dairy products. Goats are curious and active, often climbing and exploring their surroundings. Their adaptability makes them valuable in many different parts of the world. Horses. Horses are strong animals that have been used for transportation, farming work, and companionship. Before modern machines, they were essential for plowing fields and carrying goods. Today, they are still used on some farms, but are also popular in sports and recreation. Horses require careful care and training, and they often form strong bonds with humans. Ducks. Ducks are water birds raised for eggs, meat, and feathers. They are comfortable both on land and in water, often living near ponds or small lakes. Duck eggs are larger than chicken eggs and are used in many traditional dishes. Ducks are also helpful on farms because they eat insects and pests, making them a natural form of pest control. Turkeys. Turkeys are large birds mainly raised for meat. They grow bigger than chickens and are especially popular in certain holiday meals. Turkeys require more space and care compared to smaller birds, but they provide a significant amount of meat. They have been farmed for centuries, particularly in North America, where they were originally domesticated. Donkeys. Donkeys are sturdy animals often used for carrying loads and helping with farm work. They are known for their endurance and ability to work in hot, dry climates. Donkeys are usually calmer than horses, which makes them reliable in difficult terrain. On farms, they can also act as guardians, protecting smaller animals from predators. Geese. Geese are large birds raised for meat, eggs, and feathers. They are very alert and can act as natural guards, often making loud noises when something unusual happens. Geese graze on grass and require open space to move around. Their feathers have traditionally been used for bedding and clothing, adding to their value on farms.